Hello, today we learn how to write the letter Dal, Dal, Dal. It has the sound of D, D, as in English, doll, or dad, as in Arabic, dar, dar, mudun, mudun, or walad, walad. Dal, D, D. Now let's learn how to write Dal. Two things you need to know about writing dal. First, it does not connect to the letter after it. See this space here? Dal is not connected to the letter after it. There is a space. The same here. And of course, here it is at the end of a word. So when dal is at the beginning of a word or the middle of a word, it does not connect to the letter after it. The second thing you need to know is writing dal, I mean in handwriting, is slightly different from the shape of typed dal. When you type it into a keyboard, it has this shape. It seems to be one shape. But in writing dal, we have two shapes. Before we go to write dal, let's consider its connection. Dal does not connect to the letter after it. Concerning the letter before it, there are two possibilities. Either dal is totally independent of any connection to any other letter, like this one, or it is connected only to the letter before it. These two possibilities determine how we write dal in handwriting. Let's see. Now we do not think of whether dal is at the beginning or the middle or the end of a word, but of whether it is connected to the letter before it or not. When connected to the letter before it, it has this shape. And we easily write it like we go left, up, and in the middle we go left again. This piece or this part should be in the middle to distinguish it from near letters. I mean letters that have a near shape or a close shape like ra. This is dal in handwriting when connected to the letter before it. This dash here connects it to the letter before it, like here. Okay, once more, I start at the right, go left, up, and down until the middle, then left again. Dal. Dal connected to the letter before it. Dal connected to the letter before it. Now what about dal when it is totally independent? In this case, dal looks like this. Whether it is at the beginning or middle or end of a word, as long as it is independent, I mean not connected to the letter before it, it has this shape. Let's write it. It is like a converted C. I start above the line and go down and right, down and right. In the middle, I start to go left. Once more, down, right. Then I start to go left. It looks like the sign in math, smaller than or bigger than one of these signs. Dal, independent dal, 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 independent dal. See you